Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Forgotten Weapons. I'm Ian McCollum, and today is the very last day of Headstamp Publishing's Kickstarter for our upcoming book on Hungarian AKs. That's titled Rifles on the Danube, Hungarian Kalashnikov Firearms 1959 to 2002. We're really excited about the book. It is truly groundbreaking research and documentation on Hungarian Kalashnikovs, the products of FEG, the FEG, the Hungarian factory that manufactured a bunch of different and, I think, pretty interesting versions of the AK. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the last couple videos I've been doing on different Hungarian AK variations over the last couple of weeks. If you want to know more, the book is there and available for you. But today is our last day of the Kickstarter. So all the different versions of the book are discounted if you pre-order on the Kickstarter. At the end of today, those discounts go away. The books do remain available for pre-order on our website, headstamppublishing.com, but without that pre-launch discount. In addition, if you want to get the Kickstarter exclusive cover, that is only available through the end of today via the Kickstarter. So one last thing, we have one Kickstarter stretch goal that we have not met as of the time of this publishing, and that is our cocktail list. So it's been kind of it's become traditional now that when we do a new book, especially one with a national theme, we include a set of cocktails, original as well as traditional cocktails with, in this case, a Hungarian theme or inspiration. So we're excited to be able to put that together, but it's only something that we can do if we actually hit that very last stretch goal. It's 300K. We're really close to it. Hopefully, if you guys are interested in the book subject, you'll help us cross that last finish line, and then we can include that cocktail sheet with all of the Kickstarter orders. So, like I said, big thanks to everyone. Big thanks to Laszlo Betts for putting in basically 20 years of work writing this book. It's a tremendous labor of love on his part. And we're really excited to be part of publishing it. So check out the Kickstarter. The link's in the description text below. Pick up your copy today. Last chance for the exclusive cover, last chance for the discount, last chance to get us over the threshold to include a fun Hungarian cocktail sheet with the book. We'll be back tomorrow with a cool, the first of a cool new series of videos, and then Sunday, Monday, and things continue as always. Thanks for watching.